In this video, we are going to learn elements of cone. First of all, I am drawing a cone. Now, there are names of some lines, for example axis, M line, where M line is a moving line which makes angle alpha with axis, and a point which is known as focus. Now another is directrix and down nappe. One more thing is that eccentricity of conic section. To understand this, we have to make a diagram AB. Now we can say that eccentricity of conic section is equal to SP by PM from these diagrams. So SP by PM is a eccentricity of conic section, and which is denoted by small e.